Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 16XF. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen 16XF isn't turning on, you may be experiencing a common issue that can stem from a variety of factors, such as a drained battery, a faulty power supply, or even internal hardware failures. Ignoring this problem can lead to further complications, making repairs more difficult and potentially more expensive down the line. To fix this issue, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static damage. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover using your plastic spudger, starting from one of the corners and gently prying it open. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the back cover is off, you'll want to locate the battery. In many cases, the battery might be the culprit behind your laptop not turning on. Look for any signs of swelling or damage. If you suspect the battery is faulty, it's time to disconnect it. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Be careful to note the location of each screw, as they can vary in size. Gently lift the battery out, making sure to disconnect any cables carefully to avoid tearing them. If you have a replacement battery, position it in place and reconnect the cable securely. Make sure to apply the right amount of pressure when securing the screws. Over-tightening can cause damage to the components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is installed, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, plug in your device and power it on to check if it functions properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly maintain your device by keeping it clean and storing it in a cool, dry place. Also, consider charging your laptop regularly to avoid battery depletion. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.